How did we get our first 100 subscribers? Hi, my name is Michael, or you can call me Splash if you want. I make YouTube videos, and I'm currently still trying to get my channels to take off, but don't worry, because SSE has 413 subscribers, so technically I'm qualified to do this video. Technically. I'm not a huge creator, so therefore you can trust me. Maybe. Anyway, I'm going to tell you how we got our first 100 subscribers on YouTube. So basically it started in 2016 when I made Splash Squad. The main focus of the channel was to make like TV show level production with the thrown in vlogs, challenges, short films, and other things. And we really didn't have many views on any of our videos, nor did we have many subscribers either. I think our most viewed video at the time was Roblox. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So 2016 was a bit of a bust. But in 2017, there was a YouTuber that was trending. Keep that in mind. Trending. And his name was McJuggernuggets. And he had a scripted series where he was having an identity crisis or something. Anyway, I made a theory video on his series, and it got 100 views, I think. It's not a video I would normally make, but it got views, and thusly, people subscribed. But truly, we didn't see our sub count go up until we made one trendy video. Antisepticeye. This video blew up. So if you don't know who Antisepticeye is, it's basically an alter ego character that Jacksepticeye made and appeared in many videos with glitches, Easter eggs, and one-off videos. The premise of the character is basically just the opposite or anti of Jacksepticeye, which is a YouTuber by the way, trying to gain control over his body. And when I posted my compilation of these special appearances and Easter eggs in 2018, when it was a trendy thing to talk about, people went crazy for it. And honestly, I didn't expect it to blow up the way it did. And I think I was only at 40, maybe 50 subscribers, and maybe less than that, honestly. I may have been like 30 or something, 38 or something like that. And most of them being family and friends, and a few other non-concurrent viewers along the way. Meaning they watched the video, but that video only, and shortly after the video. And shortly after the video blew up, we reached 100 subscribers, and I was ecstatic. I mean, it was always my dream to reach 100 subscribers on YouTube, as of many of you probably on watching this video right now. You want to hit 100 subscribers. So let's just say I'm not proud how we got 100 subscribers, but you're not always going to be proud of how you got to the top. In fact, as much as I hate to say it, most cases, the best way to get your channel to 100 subscribers and above is to follow trends, watch other people you like that follows the same niche that you're doing or that you want to do, but put yourself into it rather than just copying them. Be yourself whenever you're expressing yourself in these videos. You can take pieces of other people's content and make a compilation or theory video or reaction video like I did, and it sucks, honestly. I would love to tell you that you can make 100% original content and put a lot of effort into it and it'll blow up. But in my personal experience, I obviously can't speak for everyone, but that's just not the case. In my opinion, if making original content and putting a lot of heart and effort into it is your goal, build your audience with content that you don't always agree with or you don't enjoy making. Let me rephrase that. You don't fully enjoy making. You should always only do content if you enjoy making it, because that will translate on camera if you're not enjoying what you're doing. I enjoy making this video right now, and I spent a lot of time doing it, but I'm also doing it to try to get views, because like I said, this channel is still not where I want it to be, and I'm sure it's not where a lot of you would want yours to be either. I surpassed 100 subscribers, and I plan to surpass more. But I have to keep doing things that I don't fully have all of my passion into to do. Like I did the Antisepticeye videos, I did those just to see what they would do. But also, I enjoyed watching those videos, and I wanted to have something for people that like what I like to see. So that's why I did it. But anyway, you should build your audience and content that you don't always agree with, that's similar to content you want to make, so that eventually down the line you can have an audience that waits for you to upload that next video that you put a lot of passion into. Alright, so that's how we got 100 subscribers on YouTube. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I can show you how I got as many views as I got, but I kind of explained that in this video, so maybe we'll think of something else. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. Watch another video or something, whatever you want. Keep on splashing. Bye-bye.